yellow. Whilst some of us had some pretty heavy rain yesterday and overnight, today and into the weekend brings a window of drier and more settled weather on the cards. So for most of us, the weather is looking predominantly dry through the rest of today and into the weekend, with some sunshine around, and things will feel pleasantly warm in that sunshine. The windiest weather will be found out towards the northwest of the UK, closer to this area of low pressure, which will throw a few showers in at times across parts of Scotland. But further south, once we lose this frontal system that's brought some early cloud and rain to the southeast, that should clear away. A lot of dry weather on the cards. So some fairly strong UV levels out there for the rest of today for many of us. We've just got those scattered showers blowing in across the Western Isles, the Northern Isles and parts of Highland. Temperatures between about 15 to 25 degrees for most of us. Still some fairly high levels of pollen across England and Wales. You'll notice that weed pollen this time of year if you do suffer from an allergy to that. Moving through this evening and tonight, still blustery showers continue across parts of Scotland for a time. A little bit more cloud and breeze generally for Scotland and for Northern Ireland. Further south across England and Wales, lighter winds, one or two misty patches forming, and actually quite a fresh start to Saturday morning. In more rural spots, we could see 6 or 7 degrees to kick off the weekend. So into Saturday, and this weather front is well and truly out of the way, sitting across the near continent. So a ridge of slightly higher pressure in charge, a westerly influence to our weather through the course of the weekend. And that breeze coming in from the west or the southwest across Scotland will still bring 1 or 2 showers, but they'll be few and far between. Further south, you'll stay dry with the longest spells of sunshine across East Anglia and the southeast. Elsewhere, areas of cloud drifting around, but a fine, settled sort of day. 15 to 24 degrees are top temperatures on Saturday. Similar day again into Sunday, that westerly breeze bringing a few showers to parts of Scotland. Could be 1 or 2 around coasts and hills in the west of Britain and Northern Ireland as well. But further east, long spells of sunshine once again. So 14 to 25, fairly typical temperatures for this time of year, warm in any sunshine. But as high pressure clears away into next week, low pressure will start to influence us more from the Atlantic. So things turning a little bit more unsettled. Still quite warm and humid, especially in the south on Monday. A return to some showers and slightly fresher conditions, but still some sunny spells for the rest of next week. Bye-bye.